make decisions based on odds. And I do believe the early adapters will face a little bit of ups and downs, but I also trust RICOH in the process of they had the beta test at Sattler Media. I'm an early adapter, InsideData as early adapters in our mentality. So we're going to take that risk, we're going to adapt, and I believe the benefits that we'll get from acquiring this machine to the risks outweighs one another. So I'm looking forward to it. Because we were one of the first companies to invest in an inkjet continuous machine in South Africa as well. So we understand that model, and technology has adapted over time. The machine behind us is more operationally efficient than what we currently have. So we believe it will just bring us more benefits from a profitable perspective. 4 years ago, I thought the 70,000 was new. Now they've got the 80,000. I am pretty convinced they're probably working on the background somewhere on the 90,000 already, right? But what I enjoy about the partnership with RICOH is they'll tap into the European market and give us insights onto, how does the workflow look like for book printing. So we don't have to build it from the bottom up. We can at least start in the middle. What I have noticed is, although you've got a lot of printing knowledge and community in South Africa, they don't understand it yet because there's not a lot of companies that offers this. But as soon as you started bringing them here and they saw the applications we are able to run now, with the efficiencies on the finishing side, I think that penny dropped now. And I think for me, where I was maybe a little bit nervous 5 weeks ago on the installation, I think we're going to crack it.